Now that you have taken your pretest, let's take a look at what is the Big Six. The Big Six is a 6-stage model to help you answer questions using information. You're going to identify your research goals. You're going to seek and collect information and credible information, and you're going to reflect on the information gathered. The first task is definition. Definition is where you will define the information, the problem. What kind of research project will you present? You will need to identify information you need. Think about and answer these questions. What is your topic? How long does it have to be? And when is it due? The next one is 2, information seeking strategies. We need to determine all possible sources or where can you find the information. Types of sources can be newspapers, articles, books, maps, credible websites, and we need to evaluate the different possible sources to determine priorities. Select the best sources for your project. Which source is going to be the best for me to use? Our third one is location and access. To locate your sources, think about these questions. Where do I go to find sources? How can I find what I need? How do you find information within sources? Who can help me find resources or sources? And once I find the sources, how do I find the information I need within the source? Number 4, we're going to use the use of information. Now we're going to use the information. We are going to engage it. That means that we're going to read it, hear it, view it, touch the information for the source. We're going to handle all of the information. We're going to try to understand what are you reading and pick up the information that you need and use it for the part of the project. You will need to extract the relevant information. Once you read it, what parts can you use to answer the questions? Do you have enough information to start organizing and writing a rough draft? And how do I get the info out of my source? Our 5th one is synthesis. Synthesis means that you're going to organize the information from multiple sources. Think about how you can take all the information you have gathered and put it together in a way that makes sense. Then figure out a way to present the information. What materials do I need? This is a good time to make a rough draft, edit, and make a final before the work is due. The last one is evaluation. Evaluation, we need to judge the product for effectiveness. Did you do a good job? Is it something that I'm proud of because I did my best? You need to ask yourself, did I follow the rubric that the teacher gave? Did I complete and include all of the parts necessary? This is the Big Six model. It's a guide to help you organize, gather, and guide to make sure that you are writing the best possible research paper. What you're going to do next on your BlendSpace account, you are going to be looking at some videos that I have pre-selected to give you a little bit more information about the Big Six. Go ahead and take a look at these resources and see for yourself what you can do in order to start your Big Six assignment.